Hi everyone, welcome to Bond Bytes, daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I am Arjun Parthasarathy, and the 10-year GSEC yield rises to post-pandemic highs of close to 6.39%. As the markets await RBI policy review statement tomorrow, that is Wednesday, the 8th of December, clearly the markets expect some kind of guidance from RBI on the pace of normalization of the policy. And by normalization, I mean starting to hike rates from record lows. As we all know that inflation, core inflation in India is close to 6.2%, while US inflation is at 6%, and Fed is talking about tapering of bond purchases sooner, and maybe rate hikes faster than expected. And also economic data is coming in better. Eurozone GDP growth came in better than expectations for the third quarter. And this is largely also validating central banks starting to look at normalizing policy. Now, also the health officials and policy makers in US have come out and stated that the new strain of virus may not be as virulent in terms of the significance of the attacks and also of hospitalization. And the current vaccination and the booster shots can weaken the effects of the new strain. So that's also taken up equity markets today. The Sensex Nifty rose sharply. However, we'll have to wait and see how the markets asset classes trend forward, as we have seen some risk aversion in the last few weeks. That has taken down 10-year US Treasury yields down sharply. And yesterday, today, 10-year US Treasury yields were up by 10 basis points on lows. The rupee was flat. It's closed at around 75.50 levels. It's just off the lows, record lows it's touched of rupees 76 in May 2020. And so this clearly shows that there is some kind of risk aversion that is hitting the rupee as well. So we'll wait for the RBI policy, and we will have to see where the markets move tomorrow. And as usual, INR bonds will put out its best analysis on the policy as soon as it comes out, as we've been doing for years and years now. Thank you very much for listening in, and do not forget to log into our Quick Invest platform, the retail digitized platform for retail bond investments, which gives you the curated list of bonds, the best information, most transparency, seamless settlement, and clearly the INR bonds quality assurance. Thank you very much for listening in, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so already.